Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install Workout Planner Muscle Booster app on your mobile phone. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type in Workout Planner Muscle Booster. As a result, you can see the application here, Workout Planner Muscle Booster. Click on the app and over here click on the download arrow. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and enjoy the features of this application. Click on the allow button to allow Muscle Booster to track your activities, and you can click on get started to use the application for your workout journey. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.